I was in depression. A big dark circles under my eyes. आंखों के नीचे काले गड्ढे पड़ गए थे. मेरे पास जॉब भी अच्छी थी, लैंग्वेज भी थी, बट ऐसा क्यों हो रहा था अंदर से मैं खुश नहीं था. Then he suggested me, then he told me, then he explained me. Kalam, you are not supposed to do the job. You are here to create the job. आप जॉब करने के लिए नहीं बनो, जॉब क्रिएट करने के लिए बनो. समझो? 12. In 2012, I had completed my 12th standard. After that, I thought I should learn this language because I am going to the college now. I had enrolled in many institutes, one by one, one by one, one by one. For that 6 years, I have not gotten this language on my tongue. Just in 2018, in the last semester of my college exams, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala blessed me. This personality is Numan sir. He is my English trainer and he made me character speaker. That's why I'm here and I'm addressing you all. You are my student just because of him. Just because of him. So for 6 years, I was searching a best teacher to make me a cabinet speaker. When I found him, he made me a cabinet speaker and I have spent. Do you know, this is the English cassette. What? This is the English cassette. In 2018, I was used to come here to learn a language from this personality. Okay? And he trained me in just 4 months. Just 4 months. My 6 years and 4 months. Can you imagine? Why? Because I just want to let you know, there's a difference between subject and the language. In school, in colleges, you are studying the English as a subject, not a language. If you are studying English medium, it doesn't mean that you will speak a fluent English, okay? It doesn't mean. Because I am studying since my childhood, but still I haven't got this language in my tongue. But this person just make me in just 4 months on my tongue. In just 4 months. Then usually what we do? After just getting this language, we go in the market to get the job. Just backs up. I did 2 jobs. After training, I did 2 jobs. One in sales department. Every day I have to talk to the American natives to sell the products of my company. Okay? And after that, I did as an assistant job under a very famous life coach. But sir, you all know it. When I was doing this job, I have the language on my tongue and even I have a very good job. But still, I was not happy from inside. I was entangled in an idea of worries in that days. Then I came back again to sir and I talked to him and explained my whole situation. And he told me, I cannot forget that day. Seriously, I cannot forget that day. On these 2 couches, just in these 2 couches, he talked to me for till 1 AM. How much? 1 AM. रात के 1 बजे तक सर ने मुझसे बात किया था. Because I was in depression. I was in depression. A big dark circles under my eyes. आंखों के नीचे काले गड्ढे पड़ गए थे. मेरे पास जॉब भी अच्छी थी, लैंग्वेज भी थी, बट ऐसा क्यों हो रहा था अंदर से मैं खुश नहीं था. Then he suggested me, then he told me, then he explained me. Kalam, you are not supposed to do the job. You are here to create the job. आप जॉब करने के लिए नहीं बनो, जॉब क्रिएट करने के लिए बनो. समझो? जॉब क्रिएट करने के लिए बनो आप. और ये ऐसे एक्सप्लेन किया सर ने मुझे और रात के 1 बजे तक मुझे समझाया. और वो दिन था और आज मैं आपके सामने हूँ. इवन आफ्टर दैट, वो दिन मैं कभी नहीं भूलूंगा जब यहाँ पर सर ने मुझे समझाया था. और उसके बाद सर ने ये बोला था कि आप जो इस दुनिया में इसलिए आए हो कि लोगों का भला कर सको, इसलिए आपको राज नहीं आ रहा वो पैसे और वापस जाओ. Still you got this language on your tongue, but still you are not satisfied. Why? Every day I ask the question to myself, Kalam, why you are living this kind of life? He told me, just go outside and start helping others. And he told me just one line, I always remember, मुझे आज भी याद है, लिविंग फॉर योर सेल्फ इज सेल्फिश लिविंग. अपने लिए जीना क्या है? एक सेल्फिश लिविंग है. बट लिविंग फॉर अदर्स इज वर्थ लिविंग. आज भी ये बात मैंने यहाँ पे छपी हुई है. So after that night, do you know what I did? I just left my job. मैंने जॉब छोड़ दी. I just left my job and I started training my students here at English Castle. After just 6 months as a trainer, I am here. He taught me how to teach as well. कैसे पढ़ाना है? He taught me that thing also. So after just 6 months as a trainer here, he told me, just leave it. Just leave it. Why are you here? Just leave it. Go and start your own institute. Just leave me alone. I was shocked. Sir, what happened? Have I made any mistake? क्या मैंने कोई गलती की है? Then he replied, because you are an extraordinary trainer. So many students got a very positive result in just few months. If you will be here, so all credit goes to me, not to you, because it's my institute. Now it's the time to go outside and show off yourself to this world. Now start your own institute and make your own brand. And that's why Life Academy just formed in just past 1 month. I just made a Life Academy, my name, institute from my name, from my given name, just because of this personality. He made me a cabinet speaker and he made me a leader. He is a leader and he made me as a leader, and I have started my own institute. Can you see that? Last year, this situation happened just 5th September 2019, and today is 5th September 2020. In just 1 year, sir, when you said this to me, that just go out and start your own institute, sir, even no one knows what happened with me from this situation I had gone through. Sir, I have no place to teach anyone. I had no money to invest in starting in initial days. So do you know what I did? I had 2 students at that time. One was Akif, he was living nearby in this area of Shahinbagh, and one student is Basha, he was living at Badarpur. Every day he traveled 7 kilometers to come here just to learn from me. And I had no place. Do you know where I had taught them, where I had trained them? In the mosque, the Tayyib Masjid, in the Shahinbagh. I have trained both the students in that mosque. After that, I haven't stopped there. I got one teacher who is very famous for his renowned subject maths. He charges 700 rupees for 1 hour. Can you imagine? I have trained that kind of teacher. And do you know where I have taught him? In the Charminar Mosque of Abul Fazl. Because in initial days, I had no investment, I had no money. But he told me, Kalam, you have to show up to this world. Just because of that belief, my trainer had a belief in me more than I had believed in myself. मुझे इतना यकीन नहीं था मुझे अपने ऊपर जितना मेरे उस्ताद को मेरे ऊपर इतना यकीन था, इसलिए आज मैं आपके सामने हूँ. और जब मैंने उनको पढ़ाया, the students who are very initial students of mine, then it starts, my network starts going up. And today I have a student of another states as well. I have a student of UP as well. I have a student of Bihar as well. I have never met them. Even 3 students are sitting there, Huzafa, Zad and Fazal. They are learning from me via online. They have never met me. Have you met to me? It is the first time that you are looking me face to face. Can you see that? How it has happened? How? Just because of the result. Can you see that what I am telling you? I am just sharing my story to just let you know. There is a value of teacher. What? There is a value of teacher. I have spent my 6 years to find a good teacher, good English teacher. And when I found him, whatever he said to me, and whatever he said to me, I did that, and I got the result. In initial days, I was not understanding why my trainer telling me to do this thing. But sir, after a few times, I got to know. He just wants to make me an independent person, and whatever you are looking these arrangements, it is just I have from early morning I was here and I have arranged each and everything. So all the credit goes to my Noman sir. He is my beloved teacher. So many students want to meet you. I just want my student to be here and to give a big round of applause for him, just for him. Yes, sir.